Welcome to another video from the farm. Today, I'm doing a quick fixer-upper. I'm upcycling this beaten up old coffee table. First coat on, basic structures there. Just gonna have to give it a bit of a second coat. This is what happens when you don't sand it. You just knock off the loose varnish on an old piece of furniture. You end up with a bit of streaking, so second coat smooths all that out. Table done, looking pretty special. Lots and lots of old currency from different countries here. There's a few pounds, a few dollars. But yeah, happy with this. So I think we'll wrap this video up here then. Don't forget to give this video a like if you've enjoyed seeing this table come together quickly. And also, yeah, leave me a comment if you've got anything to say about it. If you're from a particular country that I haven't got a note from here, let me know. Or if you are from a country that you can spot one of your notes on here, drop a comment below, let us know. Until next time then, bye bye.